You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create song using this free AI tool. First, log on to your Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome here. Okay. And then type in Suno AI and then search. Click on this first one. Alright. Suno.ai. Click on it. You can use this app to create any kind of song. All right, children's song, gospel song. Click on these three dots at the top right hand. Okay, then you see this desktop site. All right, check it, click on it. All right, so that it will be as if you are working with your PC or your laptop, because if you use mobile view you will not be able to download your music, the song that you created. Okay, so just make sure that this desktop site is what checked. Okay, click on make a song. You can see it here at the top right. Make a song. Then you have to sign up with the site. If you don't sign up, you won't be able to create your song. So when you are here, just click on create here. Sign up with Google. All right, this center logo, just tap on it. I already have an account, right? So I'll just tap on it. If you don't have an account, it will show sign up here, this button, but I'll tap on here, type on the Google logo. All right, I'll just click on the email that I want to use. Before I proceed, let me just explain certain things to you. If you just create an account, or if you newly create your account, they are going to give you 50 credits. You can see at the bottom left side I have 20 credits left. All right, when you create your new account, they are going to give you 50 credits for free, and that one you use it for a month. Okay, when you exhaust it, they will give you another 50 credits in the next month. You get it? So, and each song you generate or each song you create, they are going to deduct 10 credits. All right, and each song they will generate two different songs for you, whereby you are going to make your choice. Okay, so you come here, just zoom out and describe the song that you want to create here. Just describe the song here. Let me say I want to create a song, a passionate song. Okay, let me just put it like that. a, a passionate song, or a passionate love song for couples. Let me just put like this, for couples. All right, so I'll just click on create. Okay, I'll click on create. All these songs, they are the one that I have created. Okay, they are my personal song that I generated. So you can see now it's being created. Just look at the button, it's being created. Look here, it's being created. Okay, give it some time. All right, like I explained before, one song will do what? We generate two song for you. They'll give you two different types of song, then you should make your choice from it. Okay, you can see I have 10 credits left. You can see that. Okay, so the lyrics of the song is not here. So for you to see the lyrics of this song, just come up here and click on show lyrics. Tap on this button and you can see all the lyrics of the songs. They have been displayed. So just zoom out and read the lyrics of this song. It's two. Okay, I can feel the heat when you are close to me, the fire in your eyes, it sets me free. It sets me free, our love burns bright. So for you to listen to this music, just tap on this image. Okay, tap on it and you will see play icon. Then just tap on the click on the play icon and you start playing. Okay, it can play out now because I'm using a microphone. All right, so just it's currently playing, you can see. Okay, I'll click on pause. Then this one you can as well play the second one to see the one that best suits the one you prefer. Okay, so for you to download your song, just click on this three dots here by the side of the song, and then click on this arrow by the download. Okay, then click on audio. So by the download you have video and audio. Okay, so click on audio is the audio that I need. If you need the video, fine, but the video there are no pictures, you just this front picture that is going to show on your video. So just click on this audio and it will automatically download to your phone. You can see it now. It will go straight to your downloader folder, so you locate it there, right? And then another way, if you don't have lyrics of your song, that this is what you do, just describe the song you want and it will generate lyrics, generate the song for you. But if you have your own lyrics, you can input your lyrics and then it will generate a song for you. All right, so for you to be able to generate lyrics, you go to ChatGPT. It is very easy. Okay, very simple. Go to ChatGPT and describe the song that you want, and ChatGPT is going to provide you with lyrics, and then you come and place it here. So I'll quickly go to my ChatGPT. All right, and then just type, okay, please write me a song. Okay, a song to express your heartfelt feelings, okay, for your loved ones. Okay, write a song to express your heartfelt feelings for your loved ones. Okay, then tap here, and then ChatGPT is doing its work. Okay, ChatGPT is through. Very long song. Okay, so what you do, just copy the song now. Copy it, tap and highlight. I'm not going to copy all of them. Okay, then I'll go to my notepad. Go to my notepad and I'll paste the song there. I'll go back and copy the chorus. Copy the chorus, then I'll paste it here. Okay, so I'm going to copy it and take it to Suno.ai. So I'll go to my Google Chrome. The ChatGPT that I opened has overridden the Suno.ai. So I'll go to my history and go back to Suno.ai where I was. Okay, since I've gotten my lyrics, so I'm going to input my lyrics. So for you to input your lyrics, you click on custom mode. All right, just tap on this button and turn it on, and then I'm going to paste the lyrics here. Okay, this is my song lyrics, and then I'm going to choose the style for the music. Just tap on this use random style, tap on it and it will pop up the styles. Okay, then you choose the one that best suits the song that you want. Okay, so I'm going to choose romantic soul. Then I'm going to give it a title, passionate heart of love. Then just scroll down and click on create. Okay, click on create. All right, it has finished creating the song. Now for you to play the song, just tap on this picture. Okay, these are the two different song. the same weddings but different tune. Okay, so tap on this picture and then it will start playing. Okay, you play both and see the one that you prefer, and then tap on these three dots, tap on this arrow sign by download, and then click on audio, and then click on download again if at all it brings that. For you to see your lyrics, like I said, just click on show lyrics here, tap on it, and then you will see your lyrics. Okay, you see your lyrics here. You can see that these two songs, they are the same lyrics but different tonation. All right, they use different tone or different beats, yes, to create the song. So you play it and choose the one that you like, you prefer. All right, so this is just how to create a song, a music with AI. All right, you can use it to create any kind, any type of song, being gospel, hip hop, jazz, romantic song, blues, any song at all. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it, please. Thank you so much, and please turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload video you'll be notified. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel. You can see that it's a new channel. Okay, it's not going to cost you at all. Just subscribe and God will bless you. Thank you. See you on the next video.